Hello students. Now we are going to continue the chapter. I hope that the previous videos are very clear to you and there is no doubt now. Now our next topic is the packing efficiency. See beta, in previous video I have explained about the packing efficiency, that packing efficiency is the ratio of volume occupied by atom in unit cell and the total volume of unit cell. Suppose there is a unit cell, ठीक है, but this is the path, this is a unit cell suppose, and there are 1 2 3 and 4 particles are there. So ये जो particle है constituent particle, the volume of these 4 particles will be different and the total volume of the unit cell will be different. For example, if we take a room, ठीक है, we have to find out the area of that particular room. So what will be there? If we have to find the area of walls of room, जो दीवार walls होती हैं आपकी, we have to find out the area of that. So we have to decrease it by the area of walls and windows, by the area of windows and doors present in the wall. एक रूम है जिसकी walls का एरिया हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. तो walls में क्या होगा, कहीं हो सकता है मे बी विंडो भी हो एंड इट मे बी पॉसिबल दैट देयर इज अ डोर आल्सो इन बिटवीन दैट walls. So we have to decrease the area of wall by area of windows and doors both. So packing efficiency भी यही होती है. So we have to calculate this packing efficiency in simple cubic structure, in body centered and in hexagon closed packing. First of all, we are going to calculate in simple cubic structure. See beta, here I have taken a unit cell, a simple cubic structure in which the edge length of cube, edge length means either ED, CD, BC, कुछ भी हम ले सकते हैं, that is A, and R is the atomic radius. In simple cubic, suppose we consider that these two particles touch each other. ठीक है, particles are very closely connected to each other and they are touching each other. ठीक है. Now what I said, this is one particle, this is the second particle and they are very closely connected to each other. ठीक है. So what will happen if the radius of one unit sphere is R and the radius of second sphere is also R. ठीक है. So the distance between this means this one is R and this one is another R. Total कितना हो जाएगा? That will be A is equal to 2R. Now what will be the area of volume of unit cell? We all know very well that the volume of a cube is side cube. The volume of cube is side cube. So edge length is A. ठीक है, ये side is A. The volume of unit cell will be A cube. Now these particles are spherical in shape. So the area of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put it over here. Now from here A is equal to 2R. So what will be the value of R? R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to A by 2. We have put in this value over here. So what will be happen? 4 pi a cube by 24. 4 6 are 24. Pi a cube upon 6. We all know that the value of pi is 3.14 or 22.7. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. After putting the value in the formula of packing efficiency, we got that the packing efficiency of simple cubic structure is 52.4%. Is it clear? Now the packing efficiency of simple cube is 52.4%. Means इस इतने स्पेस पे कोई ना कोई constituent particle है that is present over there. That means the free space will be remaining, that is 47.6%. Now the second one is packing efficiency in CCP. CCP means cubic close packing. Cubic close packing. ठीक है. And HCP means hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing. So again the formula is same, that is packing efficiency is equal to volumes of sphere in unit cell into 100 divisible by total volume of unit cell. We all know very well that this type is FCC, and in FCC the number of atoms are 4. Number of atoms are 4. So now the formula will be the volume of 4 spheres divisible by total volume of unit cell. We considered that the side of unit cell is A and the length of diagonal is B. I will show you the diagonal. See beta, this is the diagram. This is the diagonal AC. These are the edges whose length is A. कितनी है इसकी length? Small a. While this edge AC is equal to कितना है B. Now in triangle ABC, see this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, ठीक है, angle B will be 90 degree. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this is 90 degree. So AC square is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? Either AD लिख ले सकते हैं हम या AB भी लिख सकते हैं, स्क्वायर प्लस DC स्क्वायर. ठीक है. So B square is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? A square plus A square. Or you can also write B square is equal to 2A square. Is it clear? So from over here, B is equal to A root 2. B is equal to A root 2. Now see beta, we considered that the radius is R. Here half radius means small r plus ये जो सेकेंड स्फीयर है पूरा कवर अप हो रहा है, इसका पूरा डायमीटर कवर अप हो रहा है, डेट मीन्स 2r प्लस इसका भी हाफ यानी ओनली r, यानी टोटल एरिया इज the total length is r plus 2r plus r, that is 4r. B is equal to 4r and B is also equal to A root 2. So now 4r is equal to A root 2, that means A is equal to 4r into root 2. कैसे? From here r is equal to A root 2 by 4, while A is equal to 4r upon root 2. we rationalize it. कैसे करते हैं rationalize? You all know very well. ठीक है, we have multiplied the root to both sides in numerator as well as in denominator. So root 2 into root 2 will be 2. 2 2 get 4. So what will be over there? 4r root 2 or 2r root. Now we all know that again volume of cube is side cube, that is a cube. ठीक है, so a is equal to आया था 2r root 2, then putting the value 2r root 2 का whole cube. We all know volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now one atom या one unit cell contains 4 atoms. So what will be the value for 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube? When we put all these values over here, after calculating it, we get what? That the packing efficiency is 74%. Packing efficiency is 74%. So how much space will be left free? That is 100 minus 26. 100 minus 20, sorry, 74. 100 minus, not 26, that is 100 minus 74, that is 26%. So the free space is 26% while the packing efficiency is 74%. Now the next one is packing efficiency of body centered. Body centered means the value of Z will be 2. There are 2 atoms in a unit cell. Okay? There are 2 atoms in a unit cell. So we again let the edge length is A. This FD diagonal has length B, while this AF is equal to C. Now in triangle EFD, this angle will be 90 degrees. So FD square is equal to ED square plus EF square. This will be 90 degrees. So FD square is equal to ED square plus EF square. FD की लेंथ हमने B कंसीडर की थी, while ED and EF are the edge length, so that will be E. So B is equal to A root 2. Now in triangle AFD, AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. इसकी लेंथ हमने C कंसीडर की है, CC. ओके, FD की वैल्यू है B and this one is A. See beta, the value of B square is 2A square. If we put this value over here, so what will come? C square is equal to 3A square, or it will be equal to A root 3. Now again R plus 2R plus R, total कितना हो गया? C की वैल्यू 4R. So 4R is equal to A root 3, or A is equal to 4R upon root. Okay. Again the volume of cube 4R root 3 का whole cube, and it has 2 atoms, so it will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. After putting the values, we got the packing efficiency 68%. 68% means packing efficiency is 68%, while the free space will be 100 minus 68, that is 32%. Okay. Now the next topic is close packing of constituents. First of all, close packing in one dimension. We know that there are basically three dimensions, 1, 2 and 3. So over here, yeah, I am going to discuss you about the close packing in one dimension. Let us see in one dimensions, the particles are closely attached to each other. These particles are closely attached to each other. One, see, suppose this is a hand. This thumb, it is attached with this finger. Then this, then this, then this. Each finger is attached. Suppose I took this finger, it is attached only either with this or this. It is not getting attached with any other finger. Similarly, if I take this particle, okay, it is getting attached with either this or this. Means एक के बाद एक, one after one, particles are attached with each other, touching each other, and one particle is touched by regularly two atoms, except corner atoms. Except corner atom, each particle is connected with two different atoms. So the coordination number over here will be 2. Next one is close packing in two dimensions. Close packing in two dimension. Two dimension means on x and y, two axes, or x और z, कोई भी दो एक्सिस हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. In two dimension close packing, there are two forms, square and hexagon. Square close packing will be AA type. AA type, what do you mean by AA type? All of you have seen the copy. ठीक है. It has several pages. ठीक है. Suppose I have taken these things. ठीक है. Suppose it is a layer. ठीक है. इसके जस्ट ऊपर हमने एक सेकेंड लेयर ओवरलैप, कंप्लीटली ओवरलैप की. Then third layer will be again completely overlapped. Means the layer will be just put on by overlapping each other with 1, 2, एक के ऊपर एक layer आती. So this will be the square. This will take a square shape structure. Now suppose I have taken this one. It is get connected with 1, 2, 3 and 4. सिर्फ touch 4 हो रहे हैं. These are not getting touch with this. इस एटम से टच 1, 2, 3, 4, ये 4 ही एटम हो रहे हैं और कोई एटम इससे टच नहीं हो रहा है. Hence the coordination number will be 4. While in hexagonal close packing, second time is hexagonal, that is ABAB type. That is ABAB type. AB type means पोइट्री देखिए कैसे होती है. 1 लाइन 2, 3, 4, एक के बाद एक और जो होती है वो सेपरेट होती जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. दिस इज द टाइप ए, दिस इज द टाइप बी. ठीक है. अगेन this is the type A. So the first layer resemble with third layer. Third layer resemble with fifth. The fifth will resemble with seventh. Similarly, the second with 4, fourth with 6, and so on. In this type of close packing, each particle is connected with 6 different particles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the coordination number will be 6. Okay. I hope the things are getting clear to you. ठीक है. If there is any doubt, please mention in the comment section below. The next packing efficiency is, the next close packing is close packing in 3 dimensions. ठीक है. सी इसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स आते हैं. नंबर 1, 3 डायमेंशन क्लोज पैकिंग फ्रॉम 2 डायमेंशन. इसकी तरह से means similarly one by one, a b a, the layers will be just put horizontally or vertically, both one by one, one by one, one by one. The second will be generated by placing hexagonal, means 1 2 3 4, AB type. In this AB type, there will be two conditions of formation of void. I mentioned you earlierly that voids are the intermolecular space present between particles. Voids are the intermolecular space present between the particles. ठीक है, जो भी constituent particles होता है. So in this, when the second layer is over first layer, means first layer के just ऊपर इस तरह से second layer आ रही है. Then the third layer will be like this. Fourth will be like this. So what will we get? We get the type AB type. Means the first layer is termed as A, so then second layer will be termed as B. The alignment will different. ठीक है? So here tetrahedral void will be present. What are tetrahedral void? We will discuss it later. But the tetrahedral void is formed over here. ठीक है? That will be in triangle. ठीक है? Suppose two types of void are there, octahedral and tetrahedral. ठीक है? Octa means 8, tetra means 4. ठीक है? So they are just double in numbers. So if the octahedral voids are n, so definitely tetrahedral void will be 2n. See, इसमें two types आते हैं with tetrahedral and octahedral. अभी मैंने बोला the tetrahedral void will be if in number n, then the octahedral will be n by 2, or you can say if these are n, so these will be double in number, that is 2n. So in covering tetrahedral void, what will happen, beta? In covering tetrahedral void, the layer of first layer resemble with third layer. The first layer resemble with third. The second will be different. ठीक है? First layer A है, तो third भी A होगी, but second will be different. That this pattern is ABAB. For example, first layer is A, second will be B, third again A. First और third resemble करते हैं, the second will be different. This system is known as hexagonal closed pattern. While when octahedral void, means number of void should be n, and this is 4n, this is n. So what will happen? Here all the three layers are different. That means if first layer is A, second is B, then third will be C. यहाँ पे दो layers resemble कर रही थी tetrahedral में, first और third, but यहाँ पे कोई भी resemblance नहीं है. All three layers are different. ठीक है? So this pattern is known as cubic close packing pattern, जिसे आप face centered cubic cell भी कहते हैं. In this the coordination number is 12 because it is in 3 dimension. एक side से आप देखो इस sphere को, अगर it is getting touch with 1 2 3 4 5 6, but एक पीछे के लेयर भी थर्ड लेयर, तो 6 plus 6 12. So there are total 12 particles over there. Okay. So wish you very all the best. If there is any doubt, then please ask in comment section. All the best.